Very good morning, all of you. I hope you are good. Welcome back to our social online class. Title of the lesson is How We Learn About the Past. History, Chapter 11, How We Learn About the Past. Last two classes we learned about various sources of history. They are the main sources: coins, artifacts and monuments, written materials, and oral sources. Coins. From there we learn more informations. Then last day studied artifacts and monuments. What are called artifacts, then archaeology, then archaeologist. This everything learned, right? Then monument also. Okay. Today we are going to study about written records. Written records means handwriting records. Okay. Old peoples write something, everything kept like record. Okay. Written records are writings from early times. Sometimes written records are writing from early times. Okay. Sometimes these are in a language like Sanskrit that people can read. Many ancient Indian books are written in Sanskrit, Tamil, Sanskritam. Okay, Sanskrit. Okay, earliest time this Sanskrit language more people talk and write. Okay, used that time. Sometimes ancient means, what is the meaning of ancient? Ancient means old people, old, very old. Okay, ancient writings are in a language which nobody can read. Experts have to work very hard to understand the writing. Okay, it is like trying to read a secret writing. Okay, written records are of different types. More types are there. Okay, first one is religious books. Then written records found on rocks, stones or metal. Then another one, the kings, travelers or other people wrote about that pillar, somewhere. Okay, first religious books. Religious books tell us something about the past. Religious books tell us something about the past. For example, the Vedas now pronounced Veds, 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 are Hindu religious books written by early people called the Aryans. Okay, Aryans. They help us to understand how the Aryans lived. Understand, ma'am? Religious books tell us something about the past. Religious books tell us about the past. For example, the Veds are Hindu religious book written by early people called the Aryans. Aryargal, like that with Tamil. Okay, Aryans. They help us to understand how the Aryans live, how they live, everything. No. Okay, from this religious books. Then kings, travelers or other people wrote about their times. For example, the ruler means, what is the meaning of ruler? Ruler means king. Okay, King Babur, who was 500 years ago, wrote the book called the Baburnama. The Babur wrote a book. That book is called Baburnama, which tells historians a lot about his life and times. In it, Babur says that he became a ruler when he was 12 years old. Babur says, in it, Babur says that he became a ruler when he was 12 years old. Okay. Then last, written records found on rocks, stones or metal give historians information too. Okay, this is how we have learned about the great Indian ruler Ashoka, who was born over 2300 years ago. Okay, then writings on a stone pillar but of the Ashoka. Then illustrated Baburnama. Babur loved nature. He has described the animals and plants of India. Such paintings are also sources of history. This is everything we learn from these written records. Okay, the writing of the ancient Egyptians, after a lot of work, experts were able to read. Okay, written records here, religious books, then kings travelers, then other people wrote, then written records found on rocks, stones, right? Today this much enough. In our next class we will learn oral sources, the stories, songs and poems. Then sources of history must be kept safe. These two topics we can see in our next class. Okay. All of you take your book, turn to page number 92. Page number 92. Roman letter A, filling the blanks. 2 boxes already completed. Okay. Coins, artifacts and monuments, household goods, jewelry, clay dishes or toys. Okay. Then today we can write written records. Okay, written records. Here first dash, we today studied religious books. RELIGIOUS, religious books. BOOKS, religious books. Okay, second one little long, so we can write here. Okay, you have to write your booklet. Okay, B, kings, 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 comma, travelers, TRAVELLERS, travelers, and AND, and others, 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 WHO, who wrote about their times. WROT, wrote. ABOUT, about their. THEIR, their times. TIMES, times. Okay, then C this one. Okay, their written records found on rocks, stones or metal. Okay, that is, you have to write here. WRITTEN, written records. RECORDS, written records. FOUND, found on rocks. ROCKS, rocks, comma, stones. STONES, stones. OR, metal. METAL, metal. Okay. See here. See here. Kings, travelers, and others who wrote about their times. Then see written records found on rocks, stones, or metal. Okay. First one, religious books. A, religious books. B, kings, travelers, and others who wrote about their times. C, written records found on rocks, stones, or metal. Okay. Then fourth, oral sources. That is next day we can study. Okay, ma'am. Then question answer. Question answer we have to. First question. First two questions completed. Now third question. See here. Why do archaeologists use brushes when searching for artifacts? Why do first question, explain why sources of history are like clues. That completed. Second one, why are sources of history important? That also over. Then third question, why do archaeologists use brushes when searching for artifacts? That last day completed. Then today only one question. Okay. Explain how the information from oral sources can be different from information found in written records. Understand? Explain how the information for oral sources can be different from information found in written records. Answer. Written records are found in the form of writing in books, on stones, etc. They are usually written by kings, travelers, and others to describe their times. Oral sources are not written. They are told in the form of stories, songs, poems, or folk tales. Okay. Answer. Written records are WRITTEN. Written records are found in the form 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 of writing in books. WRITING. Writing in BOOKS books. On stones. STONES stones, etc. They are usually usually written 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 by kings, KINGS kings, travelers TRAVELLERS travelers, and others 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 to describe their times TIMES times. Oral sources ORAL oral SOURCS sources are not written WRITTEN written. They are told in the form of stories STORIES stories, songs SONGS songs, POEMS poems, of folk tales FOLK folk tales TALES tales. Okay. Today this fourth question enough. Next question in our next class you can see. Okay. All should study well. Do you have any doubt? Please ask me. Stay safe. Stay at home. Thank you. Bye.